Hi everybody, you must excuse me. I was just looking at the video that I had uploaded about me not feeling very well. My back is all messed up and my brain is all messed up. I have trying to perfect a new video editing program, if you remember, from my Windows Live Movie Maker, from my Windows 7 to this new, and it did that video, the following video of me explaining that my back is all messed up. It did it 2 or 3 times. I was just looking on YouTube and I'm like, what? It's only about 6 or 7 minutes long and it's like a 20-minute video. You must excuse me. Just a precursor, I'm not feeling very well. My back is really painful every time I move. I explain it to you. So again, I had gotten some, in just the last few minutes, some such nice comments, such kind comments from you folks saying to take care of my back. It just really hurts. So again, I apologize. I uploaded it. I just deleted it and I'm uploading this again. So again, apologize. What's happened to me is to follow now. Thanks. Hopefully I can edit this and it's good. I don't want to take a million years of your time. Thank you so much. Okay, see ya. Hi everybody, it's Jean here. I'm sitting behind my sewing machine here, but I have to tell you, I haven't done any sewing for several days now. I hurt my back. I'm pretty much crippled. I don't know what happened. I don't know if I twisted or picked up something. I'm being treated, but I might have a herniated disc, which is pretty bad. I'm really hurting. I have a really high tolerance to pain. But man, this hurts. So I might have to have an MRI if it doesn't settle down, to see exactly what's going on. And then they can't really do anything, painkillers, which I don't like to take, but I'm being treated, massage and adjustments, and we'll see how it goes. But I might be out of commission for a little while. I'm really not doing very well. I've been really painful, and I'm not sleeping well at all. And I usually do. So I just wanted to let you guys know I might have to take a little bit of a sabbatical from my YouTube and try to heal myself, because it's exhausting. Today was the first day in about a week that I've literally been outside. It's beautiful, but I'm really in a lot of pain. So that's all I have to say. I have projects to do. My dear Jen, she's on holiday. She's been on two vacations. Oh, excuse me. She's down in Kentucky right now, and they just went out. Her family went to Wisconsin, Montana, something, for a camping vacation. Now she's down in Kentucky. So we've been passing ships in the night, my Jen and I, and between, you know, doing stuff this summertime, we've taken a little bit of break from sewing, which is fine. Once we get back into the school days and kids are back to school, my Maxwell will be going. He's graduated, as it were, but he because of his issues, he'll be another 3 years of additional schooling. So that starts in September, maybe. Now I wanted to tell you from September. I believe it was September 13th. If I'm okay, Jen and I are going to go to the quilt show, which is in Oaks, Pennsylvania, at the Expo Center there. That's Oaks, Pennsylvania, September 13th to the 16th, that is. I believe we're going on the Thursday, September 13th. If I can feel okay, if I can walk around. It's exhausting on a good day. I'll see how my back is hurting. I'm actually using a cane. It's so funny, you know, I have all this stuff, and I would go to Goodwill and thrift stores and collect canes just for decorative. I have a whole umbrella stand, which is an antique, a whole umbrella stand filled with tons of canes, and Maxwell bought me one the other day. brought me up to the bedroom, and I'm actually using it. I'm like, oh, what the heck? I hate this. And I've just realized I have, all of a sudden, it's like I got old. My hand has arthritis in it, my fingers. So I'm a mess. But never mind. So anyway, if we make it, hopefully I'll be putting out a few more videos. If we make it to the quilt show, that's September 13th. I'd love to see you guys there in Pennsylvania at the Oaks Convention Center in Oaks, PA. But for now, I just came in here trying to look all professional. Like here, I haven't sewed. I haven't sewed because it's like, it hurts so bad. But anyway, I just wanted to check in and say I'm still around, because so many of you are so kind. You're like, oh, keep making videos. And I'm like, oh, okay. I don't have to make any videos anymore. Like, maybe it's a good thing, because the well ran dry. I'm like, what do you guys want to see? I was talking to Jen about it. Like, I don't know what to make anymore, because I like to sew. And as you know, I'm just in my sewing room. It's me and my camera. I'm in my sewing room just doing my thing. And not that I'm getting fed up with this, but it's like I put the camera up, and then I have to teach you guys something. And Jen's like, no, you don't. Well, people just like to see you sew. And I'm like, that's boring, because I have a ton of projects that I could do, but I'm thinking my whole purpose is to try to impart some kind of tidbit of knowledge, whatever, to somebody. Perhaps a beginner. So I'm sort of at a loss, but I think it's the fog of the pain. I'll get my thinking cap back on, and when Jen and I put our heads together. But if you have any suggestions at what you'd like to see, like last year I made a bunch of gifts, little silly gifts. Not silly, nice gifts for the gift giving season, which could be coming up. Yeah. So anyway, I'll think about what I want to do. I tend to make large quilts, and I'm thinking, I can't do that. I just can't do that now. My back is killing me. It's really not very nice at all. I'm really jacked up. So hopefully with massage and hot and cold and put my feet up and some adjustments and painkillers, I'll be back to doing it. But sewing is a physical thing. It's a physical hobby, and I'm not doing too great. Anyway, I'm falling apart, folks. This getting old stinks. But never mind. So I just wanted to say hello, check in, tell you all I'm here, but I'm a little bit out of commission, and I will be back whenever I'm back. So thanks so much, folks, for being loyal supporters. I appreciate it, as I always say. Thank you so much. See you later. Bye.